Tanatap Wall Garden Café Restaurant and Bar / RAD+ar, Research Artistic Design plus Architecture, in Semarang, Indonesia. Wall garden was created as a reflection from RAD+ar on the search of significance and evolving roles of walls in contemporary architectural practice, in which the designer is experimenting on how walls contribute to the overall aesthetic and functionality of buildings, in showcasing innovative use of walls in shaping spaces and its integration with existing nature. Started with a question: whether it is possible to create a commercial space with simply the significance of basic architecture such as a wall. 3 slashes of straight line were drawn right in the middle of the site, with a consistent difference in their height. 3 separated walls erected playfully twirling between the lush existing trees. Reflection entrance garden, backyard garden, and creative amphitheater is connected through existing trees, with indoor aircon area created as the consequential spaces in between. Spaces with no hierarchy were created. From the facade to the amphitheater and garden backyard is visually connected, blending in with dancing structural walls that contribute to the overall aesthetic and functionality of buildings. Architecture has never been just an end in itself, it has always had a social relevance, and it is never alone, but always in dialogue with his environment. For this reason, design aims are to intertwine the interior and the exterior, to create a genuine connection with the interior environment and, at the same time, aim for a unique architectural design and special comfort. Only by achieving that can the high expectations of today's guests be met, guests for whom the experience of nature is part of an integrated environment. Wall garden celebrates its porosity being as open as possible as a contribution to the cityscape. The building was nothing more than just a maze underneath a series of greeneries that hovers double-shaded, low-energy indoor area. Oasis-like reflection garden is 800 sqm water catchment area as main feature of entrance. Let the building to be independent and off-grid, returning all the process water and rainwater harvesting back to ground within the site, creating many causal contrast spaces that are produced from optimizing negative section spaces. Built as a commercial garden in an effort to retrofit old parking space in the middle of a compact commercial area, as many other experimental Tanatap commercial garden designs use this particular location to prove a point that regardless of the macro environment challenge, a passive low-energy commercial design would still be achievable and profitable in the tropical developing country. Combines ecological value, comfort, and postmodern design. Tanatap Coffee Garden was designed to give people a chance to experience nature closer while providing uniquely designed architecture and comforts. The units are juxtaposed with a minimum change of nature. The arrangement of units has poetic emotion. The shape and position of structures were designed to give aesthetic emergence both day and night and create a dynamic shape with a minimal and simplistic structural system. The new coffee garden will serve as a public living room for the locals, and a new exciting destination for everyone with a passion for music and performance. A space dedicated to nourishing curiosity, knowledge, and creativity. Exposure to great art and music can be flexible and transformative, enriching our lives with vibrant colors and taking us places we never knew existed. Initiated by Antonius Richard, Tanatap is trying to stay consistent with its vision to decentralize sustainable buildings through sustainable business. In developing countries such as Indonesia, the design was committed to host music and performance creative communities in its open theater commercial garden setup.